Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious iced tea on the stove. It's a simple process that yields a refreshing beverage perfect for any time. First, you'll need to gather your ingredients. About 8 standard tea bags, 8 cups of fresh water, and any sweeteners you prefer. We'll start by bringing the water to a vigorous boil in a large pot, ensuring a strong brew. This method is straightforward and guarantees a great glass of iced tea every time. Once your 8 cups of water reach a rolling boil, carefully remove the pot from the heat. Now, it's time to add your tea bags. For a robust flavor, I recommend using about 8 standard tea bags. Let them steep in the hot water for approximately 5 to 7 minutes. This steeping time is crucial for extracting the perfect amount of flavor without making your iced tea bitter. Remember, patience is key for a great brew. After your tea has steeped for 5 to 7 minutes, carefully remove all the tea bags from the pot. If you like your iced tea sweet, this is the ideal time to add your sugar or other sweeteners. Stir it well until completely dissolved in the hot liquid. Next, let the tea cool down naturally to room temperature. This step is important before moving it to the refrigerator, ensuring a clear and delicious final product. Once your tea has reached room temperature, transfer it to a pitcher or a sealed container. Place it in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours or until it is thoroughly chilled. When you're ready to enjoy, pour the cold iced tea over a generous amount of ice. For an extra touch, consider adding a slice of lemon or a sprig of fresh mint. Your homemade iced tea will stay fresh in the refrigerator for up to 5 days, ready for you to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.